Stock option trading. Opendoor stock super jump. Could it continue to go up? After watching this video, you're gonna know one Opendoor stock could crash. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Opendoor stock jumped over 63% over the past 5 days. Within one day, it jumped close to 80%, around 80%. That's pretty much crazy. And my portfolio is up 180,000 right now. The past 1 week, my portfolio up 15%, 23,000. 1 month, 28,000, 19%. 3 months, 43%. Okay, year to date, look at this, 80%, 80%. 1 year, look at this one. Stock over 100%, almost double. So what do I do? Stock investing, call option, put options, and invest options. Day trading movement stock. If you do that, instead of just investing in index, I do all these three knowledge and skills. So that's why my portfolio double within 1 year. Who wants to learn more? Comment down below. I talk about Opendoor stock. Okay, my price target was $10 on August 25th, 2025. So if you watch all my videos, you're gonna know Opendoor stock price target, and it's really hard to miss because I make quite a lot of Opendoor stock video. My option up 92%, 98%. It actually is over 100%. Now Opendoor stock market open, Opendoor stock pull back a little bit, very normal, over 1,000 right now. Look at this. So this is one stock that I bought. I bought it at $5. Okay, only 200 shares. 1,000 becomes 2,000. So basically 1,000 profits over 100% profits within a few days, maybe 1 week. Yeah. Look at this option. Option is even better. See, 628%. So it's more than 7 times my capital. 2,000 plus profit now. I have another options. Look at this. Very, very easy, simple. 551% profit. So 4,500 profit. So expiration date is the January 15, 2027. So I still have so much time. Okay, don't need to worry about time decay. So that's why I like longer term options trading. Hey, look at another one. 400% plus profit, 2,800 plus profits. You see, when I bought it, it was only $1.39. Now $7. So definitely more than 5 times. And next one, 3,200 plus profit, 231% gain. Look at this. See, options. So that's why options can multiply much faster than the stock. Okay, when I bought it 1.96, now it's 6.43. Of course, now stock market is open, so it's moving. So when I calculated, my total profit is around 15,000 just on Opendoor. Okay, my capital investor was around 3,000. So 3,000 become like 18,000, 19,000, right? So the profit is gonna be around 15,000. So I talked about it before. I want to give it to you, right? So I give it to you on July 26th. It was only $2.54. Okay, $2.54. Why Opendoor stock jump? How high can it go? Buy, hold, or sell? 5 bull cases versus bear case. And plus, I also give it to you 4 weeks ago. 3 secrets to becoming a millionaire with Opendoor stock. Yes, I'm intending to make another million with Opendoor stock. Okay, so I talk about my secret, 3 secrets in this video. August 14, 2025. It was only $3 at the time, so it's within 1 month. Okay, not even 1 month yet. Within 1 month, it's just more than triple Opendoor stock. So if you got it, congratulations. How much profit do you make? Comment down below. And next one, if you missed that video, hey, you still have a chance, another chance on August 16. It was $3, $17. Yeah, it jumped a little bit. Yeah, not so much yet. So right here, I talk about August 18, 3 reasons why Opendoor stock jump, how to trade Opendoor stock. Okay, so if you got it, hey, it's really hard to miss. I make Opendoor stock videos quite often because I own Opendoor options. Okay, I also own stock too. So if you want to get early, of course, if you're my patron, you're gonna get it really early. Like in July 18, it's only 1.65 within 1.5 months. Hey, 335% gain, more than 4 times. 7.18, it became 7.18 after my trade alert. So hey, you know what? If you missed my first trade alert, it's okay. You still got in time, okay? Because I sent out a reminder, okay? So a 555% gain within 2 months. It hit 10.81 on September 11 within 1 day, just 1 day. So that's why I said within 1 day, Opendoor stock will almost double. Why? I'm going to talk about it very soon. So it's okay to add stock, okay? If you miss that 1.65, most people are not gonna add their stock. Hey, the stock has already become $5. I don't want to buy. It's only almost 5 times. Big mistake, okay? Because I believe that Opendoor stock will hit $10. Hey, it's almost double, okay? Double. So I bought it. I sent out alert to Palladium and Planner Patron. So I bought it. It's really hard to miss if you are my patron or even if you just watch my YouTube video. $5, I bought it August 22nd. Then it became $10.81 stock on September 11 within 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, more than double, 116% gain. Congratulations if you made profits. So why did Opendoor stock jump? Okay, it's because new CEO, more than 78% actually. Yeah, very high. It hit over 85%. Okay, within 1 day. So and Opendoor named former Shopify executive Kas Naja Tian as CEO. Sounds like Chinese name. Okay, Chinese plus something else. And key robots gonna rejoin the company, so investors got really happy. Of course, one carry without resign, Opendoor stock jump as well because investors were also happy. So the main reason why Opendoor stock jump was because the new CEO said company will use artificial intelligence (AI) to make the process of buying and selling a home radically simpler, faster, and more certain. Of course. They must have watched my videos. Okay, I talk about it. If I were the CEO of Opendoor, I would talk about it AI much more often because it could drive the stock price up. Of course, if you don't use AI, you should not talk about AI because that would be a lie. But if you use AI in your business, you can talk about it as much as you want, as often as you can. Right? So that's why Opendoor stock jump. So welcome to the main questions of the video. Can Opendoor stock continue to go up? Yes. When can Opendoor stock crash? When they offer new shares. Remember, with the high share price right now, their management may decide to offer new shares to raise capital. Okay, if they want to pay down the debt, they may raise new shares. Okay, when interest rate cut doesn't happen, I think most likely almost 100% interest rate cut gonna happen in September. Okay, so the reason is when housing crisis happens, when real estate price drop, housing price crash, real estate market crash, yeah, the Opendoor stock could go down, crash as well. When the company needs more cash or goes bankrupt, yes, so absolutely that could tempt the stock price of Opendoor. And other unforeseen circumstances like World War III, anything else that we don't foresee. So that could make the Opendoor stock crash. Okay, so which one do you think is gonna happen? Most likely gonna happen. Comment down below. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn my new Opendoor price target, go to Mastery Stock Option Crypto, subscribe my channel, go to playlist, learn stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading movement stock. If you want to reach out to me or join my Patreon, the link gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.